Mr. Speaker, sorry. Honorable Party Leader, perhaps I should have disclosed that since the last NGC and with your support and the support of the ODM party in Nairobi, I am now the Senator of Nairobi. And I want to thank you. Thank you. Honorable Party Leader, there was a report on by-elections in 6 parliamentary and 9 ward areas. And you will see there was also a report on international relations of the party at page 3. I would like us to move over to page 4 of the report on challenges. At that particular moment in time, we had challenges of COVID in 2019, 2020, 2021, which had rendered the holding of this NGC in 2020 impossible. There was a challenge of underfunding, which is a matter that is still live with us. Then you will see at bullet number 4 there that in spite of a court judgment ordering the National Treasury to release funds to ODM, the same had not been complied with. The Secretary General's report was adopted by members as proposed by Honorable Beth Siengo and seconded by Honorable Mohamed Ali Sheikh, the minority leader then in Garissa County. Over to page 5. On the amendments of the party constitution and party primaries and nomination rules, you will see over the page, Your Excellency, that we had made a provision for the ODM Disability League and the county coordinating committees so that the county chairpersons can sit in national organs, and we will confirm here that they are here today. Honorable Party Leader, under the party primaries and nomination rules, 4 different methods of nominations had been proposed, beginning with consensus, direct tickets, delegate system, and universal suffrage. Various members gave their views on this particular issue, starting with Honorable Amos Wako, Honorable Junet Mohammed. There was contribution from Honorable Zuleka Hassan, then Women Rep Kwale, Governor Professor Anyang' Nyong'o, that's on page 6. Honorable Denita Gatti, who challenged the party to create more space for persons with disabilities. Honorable Babu Owino, Honorable John Ketora, Irina Imba, Catherine Muma, the chairperson of the Elections Board, and the Honorable Party Leader. The report was adopted